Lilo Eigenman Alipayo marunong lang maghugas ng plato sa edad na 5. Netizens humanga. My 5-year-old daughter can wash her plate. Yan ang proud na ibinahagi ni Filmar sa kanyang Instagram story kung saan makikita si Lilo na busy-busy sa paghuhugas ng kanyang pinggan. Narito at panoorin.
Did you put sabon there?
What?
You put sabon? Can I see? Okay.
Put sabon.
Thank you, Baba.
Samantala, ibinahagi naman ni Andy ang mga larawan kuha sa birthday celebration ni Lilo para sa kanyang 5th birthday. Ayon kay Andy ay tinanong niya ang kanyang anak kung ano ba ang gusto nitong celebration para sa kanyang 5th birthday. Kwento ni Andy sa caption ng kanyang post. I asked Lilo what she wanted for her birthday. All she said was marshmallow-topped hot dogs, Nanay's spaghetti, her favorite cake, and some activities with friends. For her present, she specifically asked for a crop top and a skirt that goes until her ankles. Unexpectedly, ang hirap. Luckily, my sister and I were able to spot this one in Manila. Not her size, so I had to sew it to fit. Lol, she was so happy. The cherry on top was how she'd tell me how fun her birthday was until the next day. Happy 5th, Lilo! At sa kahiwalay na post naman ay ibinahagi rin ni Andy ang aniyay Lilo's Fiesta y Flamingo 5th birthday. Maging ang pagbabalik tanaw niya kung paanong ginagawa ng kanyang nanay Jacqueline Jose ang ganitong DIY setup birthday party. Nothing fancy, just a simple homemade birthday celebration at home with her friends, both old and new. Side kwento. Preparing Lilo's birthday reminded me of Nanay, as it dawned on me that every birthday party I had growing up was literally DIY'd by her. Each year, it would be held in our little home. Just an intimate setup with our family, my cousins, and the best buds. She would curate the theme, have activities prepared, and we would always have her famous birthday spaghetti along with other equally tasty dishes. Back then, I didn't think anything of it. They weren't anything grand, no cool acts or fancy giveaways, like at the ones we would get invited to. But now, looking back, I realize how lucky I was to have a nanay as punong abala as she was, who, in her own way, always made sure I had a birthday to remember. Never mind the materialistic aspect that usually comes with every kid's birthdays. Never mind the lack of an expensive gift. Each birthday I spent with my friends, laughing our butts off, pulling all-nighters fueled by our sugar highs, was a core memory for sure. And this is all thanks to her. I will always have a vivid picture of her mischievous smile as she takes a peep in my room to check up on us. The look of ay ay ay, but go ahead and ransack the house anyways. Now, I lovingly take pride in following her footsteps as I do the same for my kids. Birthday spaghetti included, of course. At sa mismong kaarawan naman ni Lilo ang nagbahagi rin si Andy ng birthday post niya para sa anak. Aniya, Lilo is 5. May that sweet smile of yours always stay with you. I am one lucky mama to have you as a child. Stay awesome, stay cool, stay brave and very kind. We love you, Lilo.